This here is a quick guide on how to install Dreambot. A lot of less technical people have issues actually going through this process for whatever reason. So this will hopefully help them out so I can stop typing it out in Babel. So you're gonna need Java 8 installed. That's a requirement to operate Dreambot. If you don't know if you have Java installed, you can open a command prompt and type Java dash version. Uh, That'll then pop up what Java version if you have it installed. So if you have 1.8, that is Java 8. That is what you need. If you don't have Java 8 installed, you can pull up your internet, Java 8, click the first link. A lot of people get stuck on this part, which is pretty sad, I guess, because they can't read the accept license agreement little checkbox right there. Click that, then select the operating system you want or that you have, so Windows 64-bit. Click run, and then boom, Java 8 is installed. So once Java 8 is installed, you'll want the actual Dreambot client. So go to dreambot.org. That'll pull you up to their main website. You click download now, and that'll download it. So let me save this to my desktop. So the DB launcher is the Dreambot client. This jar file right here is what you want. So all you have to do to launch Dreambot is double click it, and boom, Dreambot should be launching if you have Java 8 installed correctly. And there's no other errors, there shouldn't be. And then you can select the memory allocated for your bots. If you're using proxies, you can go through and edit those. And then all you have to do is hit launch client. After that, it'll pull up the client itself, and then you can sign in and load your scripts and start running your bots. It's really that easy. I don't understand why people have problems with it, but whatever.